A central Chinese township home to Uyghurs and Hui ethnic minorities has been regarded as a model for ethnic unity and progress. In China, most ethnic Uyghur people live in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, but a group of Uyghur people also live in a central Chinese area, Fengshu Township of Taoyuan County in Hunan Province, observing the traditions and customs there unique to the people of the ethnic Uyghur background for more than 600 years. According to records, an ancestor of the group won a battle in Hunan in 1372 by order of the founding emperor of Ming Dynasty, with his descendants settling in the Chengde and Taoyuan counties of Hunan. With a population of around 32,000, Fengshu Township is home to around 8,000 Uyghur people, and over 1,300 people of the Hui ethnic group. In recent years, Fengshu Township has developed modern agriculture processes and promoted its tourism industry, exploring ways to achieve rural revitalization. In Waihui Village, a garden of over 67 hectares has attracted visitors since it was built in 2014. Shui Jiping, 60, comes from a Uyghur Hui Han family. He makes a living by selling food in the garden's dining area. Shui Jinggong, an ethnic Hui man, and his wife of Han people have been running a beef cattle farm for more than 20 years. Relying on the unique natural conditions and the popularization of agricultural mechanization, Fengshu Township was identified as a core area of the Municipal Modern Agricultural Demonstration Park in 2013. At present, there are 47 professional grain planting cooperatives and 85 family farms in Fengshu Township. Huang Deming, also an ethnic Hui, planting a paddy field of over 100 mu with his wife of Han people. In the past 2 years, he has joined a local agricultural technology development company and started ecological and organic planting. Since then, the family's income has greatly improved. The net income per mu can reach 700 to 800 yuan.
一些大的干部也搞得面对的问题啦，或者是后面的需要一些么的东西啊，的领导是蛮关心的，都看到有时候胸前个过瘾的情况下是你帮我帮你啊，都是，完这3个民族都是蛮团结的，那确实模式的话都是你关心我关心的，你帮我帮你啊，因为那的话3个民族更加团结，更加兴旺。基本上都。 汉族好，会族好，回族好，都关系融洽，没有吵过架。不要汉的、直角的都是的，你帮我帮你。
那现在汉族啊和回族啊，基本上都像你讲的一样的，反正我们杨柳的啊，汉族人也帮忙，我们回族人自己给自己帮忙嘛。